Heather with HeatherBCo. I wanted to walk through my completed spread with you from last week. This was October 5th through October 11th. And I'm just going to kind of go over the stickers and things and my plans. So here's my sidebar, medicines. I missed 2 days on my medicines. I only ate healthy one day last week, which sucks. Here's all my dinners. I did add some little deco at the top. So here you go. So these were like little spiderweb mandala type things, and I just kind of put them at the corners and cut them like that, and then added these little bows that were hanging down. On Monday, Etsy payday work, PO run, I had a bill that was due, and then I watched Big Brother. I used this little swirl right here. I think that this is one that I made for myself. On Tuesday, I had a cleaning appointment. This little girl's from Glam Planner. I did add a little deco bow right here. I had work. I had to pay my car note. I did do a Netflix binge. The Netflix binge is from Kenzie's Creations. And then I had a rough night sleeping that night. I suffer from insomnia. And the little munchkin right here is from Once More with Love. On Wednesday, here is Washi Wednesday. This little washi stack is from Tasseled Planner, who was no longer open. I had my work situation, my PO run. I did watch Netflix again. I've been watching Wentworth. I actually finished it yesterday, but it was pretty good. I got kind of invested in that, so I was just kind of binging that until I finished it. I did film a couple of videos on Wednesday. It was Big Brother, and then here is my full box. On Thursday, I started out with this little munchkin screaming WTF because I had to do hurricane prep that day in preparation for Hurricane Delta. Here's my full box work. And then this is just a list of stuff that I had to do. I actually did everything, but I just didn't check it off. And then Big Brother played on Thursday night. On Friday, it was payday. And then we were getting ready for Hurricane Delta. My anxiety was pretty much off the charts. This little skeleton right here, girl, is from Pumpkin Paper Co. And I don't know, she just looked cute with the spread, so I went ahead and used her. But I was very, very anxious on Friday with the storm coming in, my full box. There was no work done. There was no PO run. And then my car got destroyed. Yeah, pretty much my garage door blew in and destroyed my car and my daughter's car when it blew inside the garage, and then it continued to flap up and down on my car for hours. So all of my glass is shattered in my vehicle, and I'm still waiting on the insurance to come by and see what's going on, to see if I need to try to get a new vehicle or what's going on. Thank God my brother has an extra car that I'm able to borrow for the meantime. So anyway, I'm still dealing with all of that. So on Saturday, Saturday was cleanup day. We, of course, had no power. We actually lost power Friday night around between 5 and 6. So we had no power. That's a little side eye munchkin. Here are some little naughty words. We did do some yard and cleanup outside. So this little girl's from Fox and Pip. I took 2 naps that day. There's no power. There's nothing else to do. So I took 2 naps. And then we ended up going to our neighbor's house across the street, who cooked a big gumbo for everyone. On Sunday, again, no power, so naughty. And then we ended up just kind of being a lazy day that day. I mean, I didn't do a whole lot. We ended up going to La Roomba for dinner that night. I just wanted hot food, cold drink, and AC. So we ended up going to La Roomba, and right before we left to go to La Roomba, our power came back on. Thank God. So, and I'm very grateful for that, because there are still people that don't have power. My daughter just got power back yesterday, and today's Wednesday, so she got it Tuesday. So she was out Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then all day yesterday. So anyway, I was really happy to have my power back on. Here's my full box, and then put the trash out. So I did add some deco right here, and again, I did the little, let me bring it down so you can see. I did the little mandala spider web with the bows, and I added some little sparkle. I found these little sparkles on a sheet from HeatherBCo, so I added on both sheets, the front and the first 2 pages and then the second pages. So yeah, so that was my spread for last week. Let me do a little wiggle for you. This silver foil just shows up so well on camera. And then here is this page. So yeah, it was a week. It was an intense week. I'm glad it's over with. I hope we don't have any more storms this year. We still have through the end of the month for hurricane season. I'm just hoping for no more because we've had our fair share this year. So anyway, enough about that. I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.